Hey you guys, Tina here. I'm here with Adrienne, our amazing esthetician. She's gonna do a peel on me. It's called the Sensi Peel, and I'm really excited because I just had a facial with her a couple days ago, and that's okay, right, to do it right after a facial?
Absolutely. It's great to do it before or after a facial, but in your case, it's great because we've already extracted you. Your skin is nice and clean,
And I needed it.
Absolutely. So
we're pretty truthful too. All right guys, so I got my peel and I'm really digging my glow. It felt really good. It was stimulating. It didn't hurt. It was fast. I put a little bit of lipstick on and I'm ready to go out tonight.